What's the meaning of active citizen? Active citizen. Active citizen. Active citizen. Active citizen. Active citizen. An active citizen is someone who takes an active role in their community, participates in civic activities, and works to promote the common good. Active citizenship involves engaging with others to identify and address common problems, advocating for positive change, and working collaboratively to improve the quality of life for everyone. It is about being informed, contributing to public discussions, and taking action to shape the social, economic, and political landscape. The result of active citizenship can be a more inclusive and democratic society, where individuals are empowered to make a difference and contribute to the well-being of their community. This can lead to greater social cohesion, improved public services, and a stronger sense of collective responsibility.